Hello everyone. If this video appeared on your screen, it's no coincidence. Perhaps you find yourself at a point in your life where everything feels broken. Fractured relationships, faded dreams, deep wounds from the past, or simply an emptiness that nothing seems to fill. It's easy to feel there's no solution, that restoration is a privilege for others, but not for you. But today, I want you to hear an urgent and hope-filled message directly from your Creator. He tells you, don't skip this video because I want to restore your life today. No matter how deep your wound, no matter how far you've strayed, no matter how broken you think you are, my love for you is greater than any pain, any mistake, any failure. I am the God who takes broken pieces and creates masterpieces. I am the restorer of souls, the healer of hearts, the renewer of all things. Remember my words in Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans for welfare and not for evil, to give you a future and a hope. My desire is not to see you suffer, it is to see you whole, restored, living the abundant life I have designed for you. What does it mean that I want to restore your life? Restore your heart. I will heal emotional wounds, traumas, disappointments. I will replace pain with peace, bitterness with sweetness, despair with hope. Restore your relationships. If there are broken bridges, I am willing to repair them. I will give you wisdom to forgive and love to build strong, healthy bonds. Restore your purpose. If you feel lost or aimless, I will reveal the way. I will give you clear direction and a renewed sense of what you are called to be and do. Restore your faith. If doubt has paralyzed you, I will rekindle the flame. I will give you an unwavering faith that will allow you to see the impossible. Restore your hope. If darkness has covered your vision, I will bring my light. I will show you that my plan is greater than any difficulty. You don't have to earn my restoration. It is a gift of my grace, available to you at this very moment. All you need is a willing heart to surrender your burdens to me and to believe that I am capable of doing it. So, take a deep breath. Open your heart to this truth. Let my love envelop you. Surrender your wounds, your failures, your fears to me. I will take them and give you a new beginning. Your restoration is my promise to you today. If you felt this message from God was directly for you and your heart longs for that restoration, please leave an Amen. I receive restoration in the comments. I'd love to know how this word has ignited your hope, and to continue receiving messages of healing, hope, and transformation that will guide you on your journey of restoration with God. I invite you to subscribe to our God's Divine Direction channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. May God's restoration be your reality starting today.